At the end of the day today, I put a big list on screen of topics that we had talked about through the afternoon, exploring barriers to mental health for autistic people. And it's a big old list. It's got things like self-harm and risk of death by suicide and abuse and sexual assault, and it's just a list of grim things. And when you live them one by one in life, it doesn't feel so bad. But you look at it, and these are not just topics I talk about, things I've learned about. I have personal experience of everything on that list. It just looks like a lot when you put it all up there at one time, and you're like, whew. So I don't know that I did very well at my Q&A session, because I was a bit just like shell-shocked